So guys, I'm here at J&F Glass here in Racine, and I'm about to go in here and talk to my guy Ken. Alright, so I'm up here, J&F Glass. Ken don't know I'm here. I'm sneaking in. I got the Wildcat up here, ready to get the rear window put in. So guys, I'm gonna go in here and talk to Ken. She's ready to get the window put in. He had about 3 days now, but at least he got her on the inside in here. All right. He said he was gonna let the dog loose on me, guys. I don't know. I'll be recording, Ken. I don't know if you know I do the YouTube channel, or do you know?
No, I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
No.
I don't know if you want to ever be on there, but
All right.
all things Buick, all things classic.
All right. I got no Buicks.
But you got classics.
Yeah, that's me.
So maybe one day I get to film you, catch you at a car show or something. Because what I do walk-arounds.
Okay.
And I interview guys.
Sure.
You know, with their old school cars.
Right.
But with the Buick channel, I show myself working, painting, and
Yeah, that's cool.
getting stuff done. So the other day you was too busy, so I didn't want to. Well, you run around like a chicken with your head cut off, man.
Some days, yeah. Some days, it's like crazy in here. It's like crazy some days.
Hey, just between you and me, I probably won't put this on there, this part.
Yeah.
But I went up to see your cousin.
Mikey? Yeah.
Yeah, and I told him, I was just picking with him. I'm glad he got a good sense of humor.
He does.
I said, Ken said y'all grew up together. I said, he look a lot younger than you. He said, well, he took better care of himself than me. Then I said, well, that's a good way for me to like put in the first impression. He started laughing.
Yeah.
So
He's good.
He's a good guy. So I don't know.
Did he say he put some exhaust on for you?
Huh?
Did he say he put some exhaust?
Yeah, he said come talk to him Wednesday. I don't know if you'll be done by then or what, but
Yeah, you should see my Mustang. It's just beautiful under there.
oh yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
When you gonna let me come film? You have to check out the channel.
Got about that much dust on it.
Oh, well, you know, we got all summer because I'll be hitting the car show. You go to any of the car shows or what?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. I would go to the zoo, and then I, go to McDonald's once in a while.
Yeah, they quit that. They
Oh,
great
they're not
start
gonna do
one out at Georgie Porgy's
yeah,
now, I
my
think,
friend
or
just
something.
told me they're out there.
Yeah. So maybe I'll catch you one day out there.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys. So
All right.
Ken got it here. You don't mind me putting the?
No.
Yeah. So he's gonna put the rear window in for me, guys. So I just come. I was hoping I was gonna catch you to get some footage of you working on it.
I
See
can
that?
call you when I'm working on it.
Well, I'll probably be at work. It's
I might do it tomorrow. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if you do it tomorrow, call me. I'll come film if you don't mind.
No, it's
so,
fine.
all right. Can you just tell me? Say you had
An 87 Buick Grand National. I was second owner. I probably had that car 25, 30 years.
Wow.
And had been sitting in my barn for about 7 years, so I decided to resurrect it, and then I sold it. But it was a really nice car. I took it to Gateway Classics, and it went in like
It went good, huh?
3 days,
Yeah.
3-4 days, it was gone.
It was gone, huh?
Yeah, instantly gone. So, but it was a really nice car.
And Gateway in Kenosha, right?
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
I filmed there last year too.
Yeah,
They had a
I
show
don't like
down
going
there.
in there because there's too many cool stuff there.
You want to buy? Yeah. So so now you say you ain't got no Buicks,
Buicks anymore,
but
yeah.
you got a lot of classics though.
Yeah, I've got a couple of Mustangs, a couple of Corvettes, and I got the first car I ever bought. I got a '66
What?
Mustang convertible. I bought it when I was 14 years old.
Really?
Yeah, I still got it. It's all totally restored, all Ford parts on it. I restored it when I was in my very early 20s, and still got that car. So
Okay. Man, you gotta let me come out and film you one day,
I
man.
see some of those old piles of crap. Huh?
It'd be good for the classics channel, you know. So yeah, so that's nice. So what? The Grand National probably black. They came
They
black.
only came black.
They only
yeah.
came
They
black.
only came black.
Yeah.
It was an '87, so it was the intercooled model and
Wow.
T-top model. So it was the right car. You know, it was a
Wow.
nice car.
And
it
so
was, I
right
had it all-
away.
it was all stock. I didn't do anything. I didn't change anything on it. So
Yeah,
it was,
that's why
a lot
it's
of guys,
sold.
a lot of guys change them up a little bit. This was 100% stock.
Wow.
So
Yeah, I know you got quite a few.
got a
know
couple
you
old cars. Yeah,
Yeah, I know
I've been
you-
collecting since I was 14.
Keeping them for a long time
Well,
too.
the thing is now that the hobby's expensive. Back when I did it,
man.
to buy cars pretty reasonable. But
Yeah.
hobby's expensive.
Even the paint, you won't
Yeah.
believe what I just paid for the gallon gallon of paint to paint that Wildcat.
I know.
It's crazy.
Out of control, yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, if you take your car in for a paint job, you better figure about 20 grand minimum.
Yeah, that paint. I got top of the line because I wanted to be the exact color. Paint
Right.
cost me $2,000.
Yeah.
Just for that gallon of paint.
Yeah.
The red,
And can you
and
imagine
everything.
paying somebody to do the labor to dismantle that car as far as you did and do it? I mean,
Yeah,
20 grand's
yeah.
a deal, really, when you
Yeah,
think about it.
yeah, yeah.
So,
So
yeah.
I don't know, but man, I appreciate you taking out the time
That's
here
all
with
right.
me.
That's all right. Good
All right,
talking.
kid. All right, thanks.
Okay.
All right.